Good evening. I'm Sue Perkins.
And I am the wonderful Melgai.Rick. Jadoric. Gedore, or however the bloody hell you pronounce it. And welcome to tonight's episode of The Great American Bake Off.
Now, normally when a BBC program gets reimagined for the US audience, the British presenters get ditched in favor of a couple of flouncy model types.
But we weren't having any of that, were we, Sue?
No, we blooming well weren't, Mel. However, we did have to make some concessions.
That's right, Sue. We both had to adopt these ridiculous-sounding American accents.
And we had to agree to canned laughter. That said, I guess it could have been worse. Take a look at Paul and Mary.
Well, Mary, these iced fingers look absolutely amazing.
Yes, Paul. The bread is beautiful and light, and the icing is... No, I'm not bloody doing it. I look like a raspberry upside-down cake.
Shh. Mary, this is our one chance to make it big in Hollywood.
Oh, leave it out, Paul. When are you or I ever going to be associated with Hollywood?